Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hello, friends. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Are you ready? Let's go. ONE1 TWO2 THREE3 FOUR4 FIVE5 SIX6 SEVEN7 EIGHT8 NINE9 TEN10. You did a fantastic job learning numbers today. Remember to practice counting 1, 2, and 3 with your family and friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.